everyone, my name is Kritika Jain and I welcome you to my channel Cookology. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the videos I post. In this video, we are making vegetable Maggi. For this, we need 5 packets of Maggi and we have to boil it. Then we have to take some oil and drizzle it on a pan. To this, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. And to this, we are adding 3 big thin sliced onions. And we have to saute it. Keep stirring it until it turns golden brown. To this, we are going to add some salt according to the taste. Now take 2 chopped green chilies and add it to the onions. Now we are going to add in our vegetables. So now I'm taking 1/3 cup of cabbage, and 1/3 cup of carrot also. And we will stir it again. To this, we are adding 1/4 cup of beans, to this I am adding a little bit more of salt, and we will stir it again. And here we are adding 1/3 cup of green capsicum. We are going to saute the vegetables. Now we are going to take any plate or a lid and we are going to cover it and let it steam for some time. We have to remove the lid and saute it after every 5 to 10 minutes. To make sure that our vegetables steam nicely, we are going to take a small piece of carrot and we are going to cut it. And if it cuts easily, that means you're ready with your steamed vegetables. Now it's time to add in our spices. First we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or lal mirchi powder. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of dhania powder or coriander powder. And at last, we are going to add a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi powder. And here we saute the vegetables again. after this, we are adding the 5 packets of boiled Maggi, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 2.5 tablespoons of hot and sweet tomato sauce. Now I am adding 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Make sure that you use the normal vinegar. And now we are mixing all the ingredients. Now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is Maggi masala. Don't add the Maggi masala in just one place because it will create lumps. Also, if you want to add the Maggi masala along with the spices as well, you can do that as it will enhance the taste. Add the other packets of Maggi masala and you're ready with a delicious vegetable Maggi. You can serve this Maggi to 6 to 8 people. Eat and enjoy! Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that you could get the notification of all the videos I post. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.